Hello friends, in the previous lecture we have to see preparation of aldehydes and ketones. In today's lecture we have to see the preparation of carboxylic acid. The number of methods of the preparation of carboxylic acid, but here it is discussing about some methods they will be given in the syllabus. From the first method, preparation of carboxylic acid is from nitriles and amides. The alkyl nitriles and aryl nitriles are hydrolysis to give the amides, and amides are further hydrolysis than gives the carboxylic acid. For example, the general example are C triple bond N means alkyl nitrite. There will be hydrolysis with then use the this one be enol form, and they will be convert into keto form. This keto form are enol form, keto form. This keto form is amide. These amides are used the first hydrolysis step of alkyl nitrile, and this second one is the another hydrolysis or further hydrolysis for this amide, then use the carboxylic acid. This one is the acid. The simple method for the preparation of carboxylic acid, first one is the from nitriles, aromatic nitriles or aliphatic nitriles, or alkyl nitrile or aryl nitrile. They will be both are hydrolysis, then use the amides, and amides they will be further hydrolysis, then use the carboxylic acid. Second method here, it is the alkyl nitriles are hydrolysis with the mineral acid like HCl or dilute H2 SO4 and directly gives to the carboxylic acid. This one is the second method for the preparation of carboxylic acid. Suppose that we have to use the HCl, then give the byproduct is NH4 Cl, and this one is the acid. This one is the first method for the preparation of carboxylic acid from the nitriles, or second step to third step is amide. Amide they will be also hydrolyzed, then give the carboxylic acid. Then another method for the preparation of carboxylic acid from acyl chloride and anhydride. Similarly, another simple method for the preparation of carboxylic acid is from acyl chloride and acyl anhydride. The first one we are to discussing about the acyl chloride. The general formula of the acyl chloride is RC11O Cl. There will be simple hydrolysis in which the nucleophilic attack of this OH, and then this Cl minus is removed, then give the product like RC11OOH plus HCl. This one is the simple method for the preparation of acyl chloride. This molecule is the acyl chloride. Second method here, it is the from acid anhydrides. The general formula of the acid anhydride is RC11OO, This is the acid anhydride. There will be also the simple hydrolysis to give, here it is also nucleophilic attack of hydroxyl group on this carbon. There will be molecules. Here it is the negative charge, and this negative charge pick up the protons from the water molecules, then give the twice mole of RC11OOH. This one is the acid, this one is the also acid. Both of the acid are prepared from the first one acid chloride and second one is the acetic anhydride. This is the second method for the preparation of carboxylic acid. Third method here it is this from ester. Two methods already discussing. The another method from the ester. Ester is also hydrolyzed to give the carboxylic acid. Third method. From ester. The general formula of the ester are C11OOR. The starting material is ester, but ester are two type of the hydrolysis. First one is the acid hydrolysis of the ester, and second one is the alkaline hydrolysis of the ester. First one is discussing about the acid hydrolysis of ester. The simple method for the preparation of carboxylic acid from acid hydrolysis are C11OOR. C11OOR. This one is the ester. They will be dilute sulfuric acid and heat, then gives the RC11OH, and another molecule is the ROH, means acid and alcohol. There are two molecules, two products here. It is the used after the acid hydrolysis of the ester. This is the acid hydrolysis, and second one is the alkaline hydrolysis. Alkaline hydrolysis of ester. So here it is the alkaline hydrolysis in presence of alkalines, means in presence of base. Suppose that any methyl ester directly gives the example CH3 C11OC2EH5. This one is the methyl ethyl ester. This methyl ethyl ester, they will be react with dilute NaOH in heat, then gives the 3 and then gives the C2H5OH. This is the sodium salt of the acid. This is the salt of acid, means sodium salt of the acid. This is the complete name. And this sodium salt of the acids are further hydrolysis, then use the CH3C11OOH. This is the acetic acid. This one is the acetic acid gives the alkaline hydrolysis of the esters. This is the second method for the preparation of carboxylic acid from the esters. Here it is the sodium or potassium salt of higher fatty acid is called as a soap, and alkaline hydrolysis of the ester is called as a saponifications. There will be saponifications. This part is already seen in the 11th science. Here it is does not discussing about the saponifications. And sodium and potassium salt of higher acid is called as soap. So here it is the third method from the ester, and fourth one method from the alkyl benzene. Carboxylic acid is also prepared from the alkyl benzene. Aromatic carboxylic acid, they will be prepared. Fourth one will be part from alkyl benzene. Preparation of carboxylic acid from alkyl benzene. In the alkyl benzene, in which the carboxylic acid can be prepared by oxidation of alkyl benzene with the dilute HNO3 or alkaline or acidic camenophore or chromic acid, both the strong oxidizing agents. They will be oxidize the alkyl benzene. Alkyl change regarded its length is oxidation to the carboxylic acid. Here it is the in this methods the tertiary alkyl benzene does not react or does not give the carboxylic acid. Here it is the only primary alkyl group or secondary alkyl group, they will be use the carboxylic acid. Tertiary alkyl group does not give the carboxylic acid. For example, first example from toluenes. This molecule is the toluene molecules. Here it is the 3 hydrogen, means toluenes react with and heat to give directly corresponding salt of COO K plus salt potassium salt of carboxylic acid, and this potassium salt are goes to acid hydrolysis. Further step is the acid hydrolysis, then gives the here it is the aromatic ring contain the primary alkyl group, or suppose that second example CH2 CH3 similar reagent KMnO4 plus KOH, then gives COO plus minus. Here it will be also salt. There will be further acid hydrolysis. COO, yes, they will also get the benzoic acid. Here it will be any types of the primary alkyl group. This methyl group is also primary type, and ethyl group is also primary type. Any group, any change of the primary change of the alkyl, they will be used the final product is the benzoic acid. Another type is this third type is the suppose that secondary alkyl group will be attached to the benzene ring. Suppose that CH3, here it is CH3, here it is this one the secondary alkyl group. Carbon atom is attached to the one hydrogen is the secondary alkyl group. Secondary alkyl group they will be react with KMnO4 plus KOH they will be heat, then give the corresponding salt. Benzoic potassium salt of benzoic acid, and this potassium salt is further acid hydrolysis, then gives the both are benzoic acid. Any types of the side change, primary or secondary alkyl group, both the gives same product like the benzoic acid. But suppose that fourth one, suppose that aromatic ring contain CH3, CH3, CH3. This one is the tertiary alkyl group. This tertiary alkyl group react with the KMnO4 plus KOH. No reaction will be take place. Here it is the notable things. Tertiary side chain attached to the benzene ring, does not take place the any reactions and does not give the benzoic acid. Only primary types and secondary types alkyl groups are attached to the benzene rings. Then they will be react with the KMnO4 in presence of KOH, then gives the corresponding salt of benzoic acid, and this corresponding salt of benzoic acid will be further hydrolysis, then gives the benzoic acid. It is the another simple and suitable method for the preparation of carboxylic acid. Then one fourth method, next method is from alkene. From alkenes. Suppose that any cyclic alkenes or allyl, suppose that C2 phenyl ethyl, they will react with the KMnO4 in presence of dilute H2SO4. They will be heat to give the complex C6H5 COOH. This one is the directly product from the after the double bond is react with the KMnO4 and dilute H2SO4, then gives the benzoic acid. This molecule is also benzoic acid. Second method, here it is the, suppose that cyclic alkene, here it is the cyclohexane react with KMnO4 plus dilute H2SO4, then goes to some heat, then gives the COOH. This molecule is named as an adipic acid. This adipic acid is a carboxylic acid. They will contain the 6 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon and dicarboxylic group. Then is called as a adipic acid. Another method for the preparation of carboxylic acid is from Grignard reagent. From Grignard reagent. From the Grignard reagent, They will be also most important in the Grignard region. Grignard region you have to already study in the 11th science. R, Mg, X. Here it is the plus and here it is the minus. R, Mg, X. This type of the organometallic reagent is called as a Grignard reagent, and this Grignard reagent also react with the dry Grignard reagent in dry ether solvent is added to the solid carbon dioxide, or it is solid carbon dioxide is also called as a dry ice, to give the complex which on acid hydrolysis then gives the corresponding carboxylic acid. For example, first example, RMgX. They will be react with the dry ice, means carbon dioxide, then use in presence of dry ether as a solvent, then use the complex R C11 O MgX. This one is the complex, minus plus and minus, and these complex are on acid hydrolysis is stored in presence of dilute HCl. Acid hydrolysis, then use the RCOOH plus MgOX and X. This one is the most important reaction for the preparation of carboxylic acid by using the Grignard reagent. Another particular example for this type of reaction is, suppose that CH3 MgBr react with the CO2 in presence of dry ether, then use the complex CH3 C11O MgBr, and this complex minus plus minus, this complex on further acid hydrolysis, then use the CH3 C11O H plus MgBr and OH. This one is the gives the acetic acid. Any aromatic acid is also prepared here. Suppose that phenyl MgBr react with the CO2 in presence of dry ether, then gives the complex MgBr OMgBr minus plus minus, and this one another further hydrolysis, then gives plus MgOH and Br. This one is the benzoic acid. Here is the simple method from the using the Grignard reagent and react with the dry ice like carbon dioxide in presence of solvent like dry ether, then use the complex molecules, and these complex molecules are further hydrolysis by acid hydrolysis, then use the corresponding acid. This one is the simple method for the preparation of carboxylic acid. Here it is the both the methods are completed in the syllabus. Some example for the homework. आतापर्यंत आपण 6-7 मेथड आपण कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिडच्या डिस्कशन केलेलं आहे. आता त्याच्याच बेसिसवर काही होमवर्क आहे, तर तो होमवर्क म्हणून आपण आपल्या नोटबुकमध्ये सॉल्व करून ठेवायचा. तर त्या रिॲक्शन्स काय देतो त्या कंप्लीट करायचं आहे तुम्हाला. प्रिडिक्ट दी प्रोडक्ट्स होमवर्क म्हणून predict the product of following reactions. पहिली रिॲक्शन्स कंप्लीट करायची आहे तुम्हाला. CH3 CH2 CN will react with the dilute HCl. What is the product? Second reaction, CH3 CO NH2 heat in presence of HCl. What is the product? Third one is C6H5 CH2 CH3 react with dilute KMNO4 in heat. What is the product? Fourth one, C6H5 COO C2H5 react with dilute H2SO4 in presence of heat. What is the product? And last one is the fifth one, CH3 MgBr in presence of first one dry ice in presence of dry ether, and second reason is dilute HCl. तर या 5 रिॲक्शन्स आपल्याला होमवर्क म्हणून मी आता तुम्हाला दिलेले आहे. या प्रत्येकाने या रिॲक्शन्स आपल्या नोटबुक्समध्ये सॉल्व करून ठेवायचा, आणि जेव्हा पण आपल्याला वेळ मिळेल तेव्हा आपण ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी व्हेरीफाय करू. तुम्हाला कुठल्याही प्रकारची शंका असेल तर मला त्या यूट्यूबच्या लिंकवर जे फीडबॅक कमेंट्स बॉक्स असतो त्या कमेंट्स बॉक्समध्ये मला तुम्ही तुमचा फीडबॅक टाका, आणि त्याच्यानंतर आपण त्या फीडबॅकवर तुमचा काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर त्याच्यासाठी आपण परत एखादा लेक्चर आपण ऑर्गनाईज करूया. तर इथं आपण थांबूया. पुढच्या तासाला आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरसाठी पुढचा टॉपिक घेऊन येऊया. तर इथं आपण थांबूया. गुड बाय.